Hey guys, I am back with another banger on top of another banger, guys. So, without wasting your time, let's get into it. So, okay, today we are going to be dealing with the very lovely and amazing chapter called what? Calculus, calculus, and calculus. So, today we are going to be dealing with what? With the first principle and then do what? The power rule. But for now, let's focus on what? Let's focus on the first principle. Right? So on the first principle, its formula says what? F prime of x is equal to f open bracket x plus h close bracket minus f open bracket x close bracket over h. Right? And then as h approaches what? Approaches zero. Right? So yeah, stay tuned. We're about to do what? We're about to dwell more in this exam questions. So yeah, we're about to dwell in. Okay, guys. So now we are going to be dwelling on three exam questions. Whatever. So let's say they can give you a question that says what? Using the first principle. What about using what? Using the first principle. What about yeah, using the first principle. F of x is equal to x squared. But what are you required to do if you are given that thing? But okay, so we're about to get into those steps right now. Check. Okay, so you write what your equation. F of x is equal to x squared. Sharp. Okay, then check. When they say that use the first principle to derive this, look at what I'm about to do. You're gonna say what? F prime of x is equal to f, yeah, I know, is equal to what? Ask is so where you see x plus h minus, yeah, so where you see x plus h on your x, you're gonna substitute what? Yeah, you're gonna substitute this. You're gonna do what? You're gonna substitute this. It's like where you see x. Yeah, it's like where you see x, you substitute this. Where? On this equation. Okay? And then what is our f of x? It's what? It's x squared divided by h as limit h approaches 0. Sharp. Okay, and then now the rest is what? The rest is algebra. So we're gonna use what? The FOIL method here. Um, we're gonna do what? Open two brackets minus x squared x plus h, yeah, plus h sharp divided by h as limit approaches what? Approaches 0. So FOIL method, this multiplied by that, this multiplied by that multiplied by that multiplied by that, and that multiplied by that. Sharp. Check. We'll get what here? We'll get okay. We will get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared. Sharp. And then over what? Over h. And then after here, check. Look at this. You are about to perform magic. So after like this step, you're gonna do what? Cancel out the like terms. If the like terms do not cancel, you need to go back to your you need to go back to your steps. This will cancel that. Sharp. And then we will be left with what? Which as limit h approaches what? Approaches 0. Sharp. Then we'll have what? 2xh plus h squared divided by h. Sharp. And then look at this. We are gonna look at what? At our numerators after like this step. This is our numerator and this is what? Our denominator. So just look at the what? The numerators. In the numerators we have what? We have a common factor here. So when we have a common factor, check. Your following steps are gonna be like this. If you have a common factor, you are gonna remove that common factor so that this h here cancels with that h. Guys, listen carefully. Why am I cancelling this h? It's because of between the h and the brackets there is a what? There is a multiplication. And then I'm gonna be left with what? 2x plus h as limit as h approaches what? As h approaches 0. Sharp. And then look at this, and then look at this. After like this step, you're gonna do what? You're gonna substitute your 0 where you see your h, and then you'll have what? 2x plus 0. And then you'll get what? 2x. That's how that's how you will get your your answer. And then to check your answer, you can use what? The power rule. Whatever. Even though we haven't dwelled into that, even if we didn't dwell into that, let's just cover it. Okay, so the power rule, since I have a coefficient of 1 here, I'm gonna say 2 multiplied by 1, it is 2, and then x, and then 2x, and then minus 1. You say this exponent multiplied by the coefficient, and then you minus 1. Then you'll get what? You will get that. But yeah, stay tuned. We are coming, guys. We are coming. Okay, so after this, let me do these questions. Let me do the other questions. So right now we are given what? 2x squared minus 1, and they say what? Find the first principal, f of x equaling to 2x squared minus 1. Sharp. Then they want what? The first principal, f prime of x. Sharp. Then right now I'll be a bit faster because of you have understood this question. Sharp. Okay, and then it's gonna be what? 2x plus h squared minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2x squared minus 1 sharp divided by h, and then as limit h approaches 0 sharp. Then here I will get what? I will get 2x squared plus 2xh plus h squared sharp, and then minus 1, and then minus 2x squared plus 1 sharp. Then I will have what? I will have over h as limit h approaches 0 sharp. Then these two is gonna multiply everything side of the bracket. I'm gonna have what? 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 1 minus 2x squared plus 1 sharp over h as limit h approaches 0 sharp. Did you? Okay, if you have listened carefully on that first example, I said that like terms must do what? Must cancel. This will cancel that. 2x squared minus 2x, and then minus 1 plus 1, they are gonna give us what? 0. And then limit as h approaches 0, we'll have what? We will be left with 4xh plus 2h squared divided by h sharp. Okay, so I'll continue the example in this side, and then you're gonna look at what? Your numerators. After looking at your numerator, you take what? You take out the common factor. Your common factor here is what? It's h sharp. Your common factor there is h. For x plus 2h divided by what? Divided by h. Okay, limit as h approaches 0. This will cancel that sharp. and then we'll be left with our 2x plus 2h, whatever. So how do we finish this thing? You're gonna substitute what? 0 where you see what? You're gonna substitute 0 where you see h, whatever. Then you're gonna be left with what? Whatever. And then we'll have what? We'll have 4x. Yeah, that's how the cookie crumbles. So let me do number 3. Yeah, let me do number 3. Guys, number 3 is actually hard.